Hello, children! Hi, I am your teacher, Rainier. So today, we will gonna read a book. Do you like it? Louder! Do you like it? Alright, but before that, let me ask some question first. Do you experience trick or treating? Again, do you experience trick or treating? Louder! Alright! A lot of you experiencing trick or treating. So, before I start, let me help you and define the words that you will hear later by reading our story. So, let's have first. I hunted. Hunted. Pakiulit nga. Pakilakas. Very good. Ang haunted ay isang bahay na luma na ating makikita sa daanan o minsan naman isang abandonadong bahay. Ano nga ulit? Haunted. Haunted. Pakilakas. Alright. For our second words, we have creaking. Everyone, pakilakas. Very good. Ang creaking ay isang huni ng isang uri ng hayop. Ito ay laging mapapakinggan tuwing gabi. Ano nga ulit ang salita? Creaking. Pakilakas. Creaking. Very good, children. So for our third words, we have treat. Treat. Pakilakas. Pakilakas. Very good. Ang treat naman ay isang pagbibigay ng halaga sa isang tao o pagbibigay ng isang bagay o pagkain gamit ang iyong pagmamahal o di kaya gamit ang iyong pera. Dadalhin mo siya kung saan nyo gusto. Anong ulit ang salita? Treat. Pakilakas. Treat. Very good, children. So for our last words, we have spooky. Spooky. Pakilakas. Ano ulit yon? Pakilakas. Alright. Ang spooky ay isang nakakatakot at makulay na pumpkin na ginawa upang ipang-design tuwing Halloween. Ano nga ulit ang spooky? Pakilakas. Spooky. Very good, children. Ngayong nalaman na natin ang mga words na inyong ma-encounter mamaya habang binabasa natin ang istorya, ay maaari na tayong magdako sa ating storytelling session. Handa na ba kayo? O handa na ba ako? Ngayon, tayo naman ay dadako sa ating storytelling. Ngayon, narito na tayo sa ating storytelling session. So, bago ako magsimula, maaari lamang po bang magbigay ng mga paalala sa inyo bago ko basahin ang istorya at sabihin kung ano ang title ng ating babasahin sa araw na ito? Maaari ba? Pakilakas? Alright, maraming salamat, children. Ngayon, inaasahan ko na lahat ay tahimik habang nagbabasa si Teacher Rainier. Pangalawa, Inaasahan ko na lahat ay makikinig sa istoryang babasahin ni Teacher Rainier. Maaari ba iyon? Pakilakas? Okay, maraming salamat, children. At pangatlo, inaasahan kong makikipag-cooperate kayo sa tuwing maipapasabing salita si Teacher Rainier. Maaari ba iyon? Pakilakas? Okay, maraming salamat, children. Ngayon, tayo naman ay dadako sa ating istorya para naman maumpisahan na ang napaka-panabik na istorya na dala-dala ni Teacher. Pero wait, mayroon lamang si Teacher Rainier na katanungan. Sino-sino kaya ang tauhan sa ating kwento? Sino-sino kaya ang makakakuha ng maraming candy? At sino-sino kaya ang tauhan sa kwento? At saan naganap ang kwento? Ayan ay ating malalaman pagkatapos basahin ng kwento. Halina at makinig at matuto at makakuha ng aral sa istoryang ito. Okay, the title of our story today is Clifford's Scary Halloween by Sonali Fry, illustrated by Jim Drunk. Siyempre, at iistorya sa inyo ni Teacher Rainier. Halina at ating umpisahan. It was a Halloween night. Emily Elizabeth and Clifford were very excited. They were going trick or treating. Come on, Clifford, said Emily Elizabeth. We're going to get some treats. And you love treats, don't you, boy? Whoop, said Clifford, a dog. Emily Elizabeth and Clifford met Jetta, Mac, Charlie, Buzz, T-Bone, and Cleo outside. Owls were hooting, and the moon was full. Soon, they were on their way. The first house they went to was the Blakeman's. Emily Elizabeth knocked on the door. There was no answering. She knocked again. What she did? She knocked again. Mr. and Mr. Blakeman, yelled Emily Elizabeth. Treat or treat, yelled Charlie. Then they heard a loud creaking sound. Maybe the Blakeman's house is haunted, said Jetta. It's not haunted, Jetta, said Emily Elizabeth. I'm sure they're home. Suddenly, the door began to open. Very, very slowly. On the other side were two ghosts. Happy Halloween! Yelled the ghost. Run! Run! Yelled Buzz. Everyone screamed and ran toward the street. Wow! They're just tricked us, said Emily Elizabeth. Maybe we'll have better luck at the next house, said Jetta. Victor and Pedro's house is close by, said Charlie. Let's go there! As they walked toward the center of town, bats flew from tree to tree. Cats meowed at the moon, and Clifford stayed right by Emily Elizabeth's side. When they got to Victor and Pedro's house, Buzz knocked on the door. Trick or treat, he called. What he did? Trick or treat. What he did again, children? Alright. For the next scenario, suddenly the door swung open and two bumpers stood before them. Trick! Victor and Pedro laughed. Again, kids screamed and ran away. Run! 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 What the children did? Run! Run! Very good, children. When they started walking again, Emily Elizabeth say, Dr. Dean always has a yummy treat for us. Her house won't be scary. But everyone was already scared. What everyone's feeling? Scared. Again? Scared. Okay. At the Dr. Dean's house, spooky jack-o'-lanterns greeted them on the steps. Jetta rang the doorbell. What Jettas did? Rang the doorbell. Alright. Oh, Dr. Dean, called Jetta. Trick or treat. What Jettas did? Trick or treat, Dr. Jean. Okay, the door opened. Hello, dear, said a voice. But at once, Dr. Jean. It was a scary witch. Yikes! Yelled Jetta. Once again, everyone run! 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 What did everyone? Run! 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 Everyone runs again on street. It looks like we're not getting any treats tonight, said Charlie sadly. Yeah, said Jetta. I'm tired of getting tricked. Let's go back to my house, said Emily Elizabeth. Maybe my parents will have a few treats for us. But when arrived at the Howards, the yard was filled with witches, ghosts, monster, and other creepy creature. Surprise! They yelled. It was a party full of Halloween treats. We thought it would be fun to trick you this Halloween, said Mr. Blickman. We hope you weren't too scared, said Victor. Scared, Jetta said. I wasn't scared. Emily Elizabeth, Charlie, and Buzz all looked at Jetta. Well, maybe just a little bit, she said. Then it was a time for everyone to enjoy their Halloween. Treats they bowed for apples, ate candy, and drank a special Halloween punch. When the party was over, Emily Elizabeth gave Clifford a big hug. What Elizabeth did? A big hug. Once again, what is it? Alright, it is a big hug. The tricks were good, she said, but the treats were even better. Woof! Clifford agreed. So that's the end of our story. Do you like it, children? Alright, thank you so much for listening. And now, we will proceed for our question. Who is the character in the story? Alright, very good. Who again? Alright, very good. Thank you so much. Oh, sino ang mga gumanap sa character? Okay, magaling. At saan naganap ang ating istorya? Ano ulit? Magaling. Ngayon naman, tayo naman dadako sa isang aktibidad na inyong gagawin upang mas lalo kong malaman kung kayo ay nakinig sa istorya na aking binasa. Ngayon naman, tayo ay dadako sa mga aktibidad na nagawa ng aking mga estudyante. Narito ang iilang aktibidad na larawan na kanilang mga ginawa. Maraming salamat, children, sa inyong pakikinig at kooperasyon sa araw na ito. Naway, may natutunan tayo at nag-enjoy tayo sa istoryang aking daladala sa araw na ito. Muli, ako si Teacher Rainier, ang inyong guro sa araw na ito at nagbigay ng istorya at masaya at makabuluhang istorya sa araw na ito. Paalam!